This is opening night craziness. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace and welcome to Epcot. We're here outside of Test Track, but today is gonna be more of a experimental day. So today is actually Walt Disney's birthday. Happy birthday, Walt, December 5th. And it is the opening of Dreamers Point here in Epcot. So some walls are down, which is exciting. And there's also a brand new fireworks show tonight, Luminous. Now, I've never been here for the opening of a fireworks show. We're gonna see how crowded it is, how crazy it is, what time you need to get your seat to see the show. And pretty cool that we're here on opening day for a brand new Epcot fireworks show. And we're gonna bring you along. We're probably gonna try some festival treats. So it's gonna be a great day. Let's go do this. So right off the bat, Test Track is an 80-minute wait already, and it's 11 o'clock in the morning, so I think it's going to be a pretty busy day. And also Frozen and Remy's Ratatouille Adventure Lightning Lane's already sold out, so I think we're in for another busy Epcot day. I'm going to time it. The Test Track Lightning Lane is always pretty long, so let's see how long this one takes. So our friend who didn't have Genie today went in the Singer Rider line, and she's already at the front. Yes, KP Mobile coming to life. I love her. 26 minutes, we're going to be the next car. Don't even waste your lightning lane on this if you're okay with doing Singer Rider, because Singer Rider was a total walk-on. Here we go! Test Track, baby.
We'll begin.
This doesn't even compare to the old one. I'm sorry. Old one supremacy. My hair fell out. Yeah. All right, we are getting the spiced chocolate chip cookie. And it's part of the cookie stroll. You see by this cookie emoji right here. All right, here is that spiced chocolate cookie, our first of the cookie stroll. The $3 is really a good price because this is a big cookie. Like, we could split all this. Look at it. Pretty good. I don't know if it should have been chocolate though. Like, it would have been nice as a spiced cookie or like something like a snickerdoodle or something like that with the frosting, but it's not bad actually. I think we give it like a 6. So Soarin is still Soarin Over California, which I love because that is my favorite version of Soarin. It's either Soarin Over California or Soarin Around the World. We'll see how long this one takes because it's pretty crowded today. It's really not as bad yet. I know tonight it's going to be a madhouse. 65-minute wait. Let's see our lightning lane. Also, what's funny is we were here on opening day of Moana Journey over Water. We're here on opening day of Dreamers Point and the new fireworks show, and none of this was actually meant to happen. It just kind of happened that I was down here, and today we're actually planning to go to Epcot today anyway, and then we saw that the new fireworks show was today, and then they added that the statue would open at Dreamers Point, so here we are.
Cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties.
Alright, that was just a 15-minute wait. Not too bad. I love Soarin Over California so much. Highly recommend. Alright, so 2 cookies done. And also, if you don't know what the cookie stroll is, this is my first time doing it, so I'm so excited. Here's a holiday cookie stroll. So this is the one we got. Sunshine Seasons Jingle Sugar Cookie from the Land. Spiced chocolate cookie. This one looks really good. Okay, Melissa and I both agree this one's not the best. But it's really disappointing because I was so excited for this. I love sugar cookies. I love M&Ms. It's just kind of lame. I don't know. It's just like a little dry. Oh my goodness. This is the line just to take a picture with the Dreamer statue. This is wild. So this is what most of the Florida locals and Disney fans are here for today, because this is the new Dreamers Point Gardens. It's pretty much just the Walt statue and gardens, and most importantly, there's no more walls here. So here's the statue right up here. That was the line to take pictures with the Walt statue. And once again, there's that statue right up there. You can see him. And this is the new Dreamers Point. Here's this big topiary thing in the middle here. I would assume this is gonna light up at night, these big poles. So then it kind of breaks off like into sections. So here, that's the Community Core Plaza. It's gonna be hopefully soon. So then we can hear the construction now, which is kind of annoying, but one day Epcot will be done constructing. And so this is what the big draw was that everyone was talking about, is that they do have USB chargers here, which is actually really awesome. It's not even a regular outlet, just USB. You can plug in and recharge and sit on one of these benches. A lot of it is in the sun. It's 1 o'clock, so it's kind of like peak sun time. Here's another charging station. Look at this. This one has outlets too, outlets and USB. That's awesome. So let's actually try one of these out. All right, I'm gonna try to plug in this USB charger right here. But I did it. There it is. There's my USB plug plugged in. Let's see if it actually charges my phone. So it actually did not work. That's weird because it was lit up, but it didn't charge my phone. I do really like the concept and idea though. Honestly, hearing about what it was, I was like, all right, this is opening when we're here. That's cool, but like, what is it? A garden? But I will say I actually really do like it. I like the idea, I like the concept, and it's really nice. I love all the charging ports. That's awesome. So bring chargers to Epcot now because we'll have a place to recharge. It's outdoors. It's gonna be hot in the summer, but right now it's super nice. So my only question is, what the heck are these things? But most importantly, it's just so nice to have all the walls down and just be able to walk right through. And just so you have an idea of where we are, that is the Connections Cafe right there. We have the Creations Shop. This is the way to Mission Space. You see Mission Space off in the distance. They have some photo pass photographers here too to get a nice shot of the new area. Have to give a huge shout out to Alexa because she's waiting in the line to get a picture with the statue for me. So, okay, the thing I don't understand about Disney, well, I guess I understand, but like compared to Universal, for using the annual pass discounts, Universal, you just show it or they scan it. It's 1, 2, 3. Disney, it's like Fort Knox. It's like you are entering the FBI top secret agency of the world. All the secrets. It's like you have to show photo ID. You have to show it on the app. I showed the card just to get $1 off. So yeah. It's time to save the galaxy. We're going on Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. I hope I get a new song this time. What's your favorite song to get on this ride?
Walk onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
We got it again! We're here in the Odyssey to get another cookie, but look how cute this looks. They really did a nice job decorating it for the holidays. And you can do a meet and greet with Santa in here. He's not here yet, but look at the line forming already for Mr. Santa Claus. So Guardians, we got Everybody Wants to Rule the World again. I literally get it every single time, but it was still really fun. Then we ate at Connections. I had that General's House chicken salad. Here in the Odyssey, we got the red velvet mini bun cake and the pinwheel cookie as part of our little cookie stroll. I like the stamp, it's super cute. We're both not big fans of that peppermint cookie. I'm not a fan of peppermint and it just tastes like toothpaste. I was sad because it looked so cute and it looked like I would really like it. It was a lot harder than I thought it was too, and the peppermint taste is just too overwhelming. But the mini bun cake was good, so that's a win, and it's super cute in here, so you definitely got to check it out. Oh wow, totally just noticed this. I guess this is for the new show, Luminous, the Symphony of Us, that is happening tonight. So it's starting to get pretty late. I expect the crowds to increase because people are just going to come for the fireworks show tonight because it is opening night, and that's what this video is about. We're going to see just how crazy it is during an opening night of a brand new fireworks spectacular. The lines for the food booths aren't too bad right now, which is kind of a good sign. Good to know, in the House of Good Fortune here in China, they have this Tiger Balm pain relieving ointment. So if you're hurting from your Disney trip, I have this here. I'm really having a great time walking around and checking out all the musical acts and reading the signs about the different cultural traditions. All right, I guess we're seeing some crowds here in Germany for this booth, which we're actually going to get in line for. All right, here's that Linzer cookie from Germany. Okay, I like this cookie a lot. Definitely my favorite so far. It's really good. This is the line for the candlelight processional. It starts all the way back here in Germany. John Stamos is here tonight, so that doesn't help the crowds for opening night of fireworks. This is crazy. This is a standby line. All right, we completed the cookie stroll, yay, with our gingerbread cookie. Now we can get the completer prize, the little festival treat. We have to visit the Holiday Sweets and Treats for the festival treat near the port of entry. And I also got the turkey dinner. It's I just asked for no cranberry sauce, and I did it without a problem. Turkey, gravy, stuffing. There should be mashed potatoes somewhere around here. I really like this turkey a lot. It's moist. It's delicious. I really can't go wrong. Potatoes are good. Green beans are a little cold, but they're good. Krystal Palace approved. It's 5:45. We're over in Canada now. It doesn't seem like anyone is camping out yet for the fireworks, but we did see some people already set up. I had no idea. We got 2 prizes, the peppermint sundae and the wish cookie. How fun is that? Here we have this Luminous, the Symphony of Us hoodie. Brand new. This is actually really great. It's $55. Then we also got this t-shirt, purple t-shirt here, and that one is $35. Here we have an ornament, Luminous, the Symphony of Us, $20. And a die cut magnet for $15. Okay, total game changer at night here. Look at the ground, how it's all lit up. I mean, this is amazing. These lights that didn't make sense now because they do go to Spaceship Earth. So every now and then, every like 10 or 15 minutes, you're gonna get a light show on Spaceship Earth, and the lights go to the light show. Same with the lights on the ground. It looks really, really awesome. They did a good job here with it lit up at night. I'm still not sure what exactly these trees are though, but at least they're lit up at night and they look kind of pretty. They got some twinkling lights in the trees too, which just really makes it look pretty. I'm very glad that these things have a purpose because I wasn't sure what they really quite were. But all the trees are lit up too. All right, we pretty much waited 10 minutes for Living with the Land. They do the glimmering greenhouses. The greenhouses are all decked out. And that was actually my first time ever doing it. And I loved it. I love Christmas lights. I love holiday lights. I love all the decorations. That was great. I highly recommend doing it. It did get pretty crowded now though because it's at night and everyone wants to do it at night because the lights all are lit up and they look beautiful at night. So just a tip. It's definitely getting super busy now. I tried to get a drink in Connections Cafe, aka Starbucks. The line is just so long. All right, so we got folks camped out. We're in Canada right now for the fireworks show. An hour and a half to go. You see them all lined up here. Look at those crowds now. Oh boy. This is what it's dark, it's crowded. It's a lot going on here. All right, let's stroll around the World Showcase though and check out what this is like. This is what to do. Get a bench and just sit there. But you got to get there so early. So I'm not the type to stand there for 2 hours. I'm just going to watch from wherever. All right, inside scoop. We got a lot of camera equipment over here. Like a lot of camera people. So this might be the best spot to watch it from. I'm kind of just aimlessly walking around because I'm trying to kill some time. I still have an hour and a half. Time is like stopped. But you can see the crowds. Everyone's pretty much already lined up. All right, it's 8:30. We have an hour. I'm gonna get in a spot and hunker down for the show. So it's getting super, super, super crowded now. This might be a pretty cool spot to watch up here in Canada, far and wide. Get a little bird's eye view. So this is pretty much the area we were thinking of standing. So this right here is the exit to the Skyliner and the Epcot Resort Hotel. So that's why we kind of wanted to just stay over here so we could just get out of here and hop on a friendship boat and go back to the Swan. All right, we're hunkered down, we're seated, and we're ready. We're on the bridge. Okay, here we go. I'm not gonna record the full show, leave a little bit of element of surprise for you, but welcome to Luminous. That was pretty. This is awesome. They're sending a firework off from each country. all the ways to say hello and welcome. Now for the mad dash out of here. I feel bad for the people getting on the Skyliner. That's going to be a madhouse. Look at this mayhem. And we made it back. What a day. My first opening of a fireworks show at Epcot. Dreamers Point opening, which was actually really beautiful. I'm excited for you all to see it in person. Hopefully you're coming down soon. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today and this whole experience. The fireworks show was great. They had a lot of beautiful fireworks. I really enjoyed that. It was a good length too, about 18 minutes. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Krystal Palace right down below. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.